Hey there, welcome to Module 1 of our AWS course. In this video, we are going to get you straight started with Amazon Web Services, from creating free tier account to navigating the AWS Management Console, and finally understanding of AWS in global infrastructure. By the end, you will be fully set up to the ready to the dive into the cloud. Part 1, AWS account setup. AWS, short form of Amazon Web Services, is the world's most popular cloud computing cloud platform, used by the startups, thousands of companies and developers of the worldwide to build, deploy, and scalable application. In this course, we will be get step by step through AWS most important services, starting with the basic and working up to the more advanced startup. So you can confidently use AWS in real world project. First up, we need an AWS account. To create an account, go to aws.amazon.com and click on create AWS account. Enter your valid email address, password, and your account name, and fill your captcha code and fill your correct captcha code and use your verification code to verify your account. Now you need to be set up your password, fill your password correctly, then you will need to be added your personal information and you need to be select your package type. I will select free account and now I will fill up this form. Let's fill up this and I will use my personal information and banking information shared. You need to be use your debit card or credit card to start your account. At this point, you need to be verify your phone number. Please verify your phone number and then you will get a verification code. Start your make make complete your verification. Enter your payment method. AWS required a card for free tier uses, but don't worry, we will cover how to avoid unexpected charges later on this course. Verify your identity via SMS or call. Choose the basic support plan, it's free. Part 2, navigating the AWS console. When you log in, you will land to AWS Management Console. This will your dashboard to every AWS services. At this point, at the top, you have the search bar, the fastest way to find services like EC2, S3 or Lambda. On your left, you will see recently visited services for quick access. What's important things to note, AWS services are region specific. The region selector is the right of your top right. If you create a resource in US East and switch to Asia Pacific Sydney, you will not see because it lives in that region. We will talk more about your region matter in just a moment. Part 3, understanding AWS Global Infrastructure. AWS strengths come to its global infrastructure, the physical network that power all AWS services. It made up to the three main component regions, large geographic areas like US East, Europe, Asia Pacific, Asia. Each region contains multiple data center. Availability zones. These are individual data centers within a region is isolated from the failure in the other. For example, US East has 6 availability zones. Edge locations. These are part of the AWS Content Delivery Network (CDN) CloudFront and are used to cache the delivery content closer to user for lower latency. Think of regions and countries, availability zone as cities, and its location as a small distribution hub. All working together on AWS can deliver higher speed, reliable service and anywhere in the world. In this module, you learned how to set up your AWS account, navigate the console, and understand AWS global network. In the next module, we will start actually launching resource in AWS. So stick around. It's going to get hand-on, very exciting. Subscribe for more AWS lessons. Module 2 is coming. I will see you in the next one.